Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joy Taylor. When you try to order the bundle on our website, you will see the choice of natural drawn and double drawn. Some clients are asking what is the difference, and today's video, let me show you the natural drawn hair bundles and the double drawn hair bundles. And they both are 20 inches Remy human hair, and this one at here is actually the natural drawn, and this one is a double drawn hair bundle. And you can see both of them are very great thickness and fullness, and all made from the high quality Remy human hair. And natural drawn is having a very natural kind of density. When you're making wig and doing the sewing, it's very natural. You can see from the top to the root, it's actually have a natural kind of hair thickness. So when you wear it, it's creating a very natural look. And this one density actually we designed and make it feel and very natural type. And this one is double drawn hair density, and when you see it, you can see it's a super full and the volume at the bottom. So from the root to the bottom, it's all super volume. So this is 20 inches as well. If you like a very full and have a thick root and thick end, and you can choose this type of double drawn hair grade. And if you like a natural thickness and the more affordable collection, actually you can choose this single drawn hair, and both are very nice. It's not like nothing like a thin hair weft, and you can see this is natural drawn, very silky and soft. And this is the double drawn type. Look, so very soft kind of hair, and it can be created with different curly and wavy hair available. So what kind of texture you are looking for, it has this kind of hair available. And let me comb it, and so you can see and let us comb it, and you can see it's very silky and soft, very soft type, and nothing about tangle you will face. Look, so this is the two type of hair grade, and if you like the super volume one, choose this double drawn. If you want a natural type, choose this natural. And if you like the natural type of density, choose this natural drawn. It will be great enough and more affordable. So tell me if you have any question and about anything about this hair. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.